Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to purchase premium in Sygic GPS navigation for Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This menu icon will open up the main navigation menu where you can access various settings and features within the app. From the menu that appears, tap on Sygic Store. This is where you'll find all the available premium packages and subscription options that Sygic offers to enhance your navigation experience with additional features like offline maps, speed camera alerts, and real-time traffic updates. Now you'll see different package options displayed on your screen. You can choose between yearly or 3-month subscriptions. Each package offers the same premium features, but the pricing varies depending on the duration you select. The yearly package typically offers better value if you plan to use the premium features long-term. For this example, let's tap on Yearly. This will select the annual subscription plan and show you the total cost for 12 months of premium access. Once you've selected your preferred package, tap the Buy button to proceed with the purchase. This will take you to the payment screen where you'll need to enter your payment information. Next, you'll need to choose your payment method. The app will display various options available for completing your transaction, such as credit card, debit card, or other payment services depending on your region. For this tutorial, tap on Add Card. This option allows you to enter a new payment card that will be used for this purchase and can be saved for future transactions if you choose. Now tap Enter Details manually. This gives you the option to type in your card information directly rather than using any automatic scanning features, ensuring you have full control over the details you're entering. At this point, you'll see fields where you can input your card information. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and any other required billing details. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any payment issues or delays in activating your premium subscription. After you've filled in all your card details, tap Continue. The app will process your payment information and verify the transaction with your card provider. This might take a few moments, so just wait while the system completes the verification. And that's it! You've successfully purchased premium in Sygic GPS navigation and can now enjoy all the enhanced features that come with your subscription. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.